What's going on, everybody? Working on the Mercedes 2008 S550, and originally we had a complaint of no fuel pressure, so we came over to the car, took the fuel pump out down there, and checked out the connector while cranking the engine. We had power and ground. The pump didn't run. We took the pump out, replaced it with another Mercedes pump. Same test. This time the pump ran pressure, got pressure going to the secondary side of the tank, or the saddle tank, and got right over here on the driver's side. And we got coming out of that line, we got out of one of the lines, we have fuel flow coming out, but we got no flow coming out of this regulator valve. So we took this regulator, this guy right there, the regulator out, tested it again, still had no flow. No fluid flow at all. So decided to see if we can unclog this thing, or to see what was going on with it, and it is clogged severely. And the gas that came out of this fucking thing you can see the debris in there. Yeah, it's definitely nasty. So this is what we pulled out. This is only for like a cup's worth. So definitely clogged. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can continue to unclog this thing, and hopefully we can get some fluid flow going through this container, through the regulator, and into the engine, because we still got a no-start situation on this 2008 Mercedes S550. But what our problem is, and to solve the problem of the crank no-start, is we checked the fuel pump. Fuel pump was bad, clogged, had no pressure. We're going to replace that, had pressure moving into the regulator, but no pressure coming out of the regulator. So we're going to go and get us a regulator to fix this problem. If you guys are having any issues with the Mercedes S550, definitely want to go and put the key in the ignition and start cranking it and listen for the fuel pump to run. If you don't hear the fuel pump running, you want to lift up the back seat on the passenger side, take a look and see if you can hear it with the cover removed, inside and the back. And then if you still don't hear nothing, maybe tap the pump, bang on it a little bit, give it a little swig, a little wig, and maybe move it around, wiggle it or something. See if it'll kick on. If not, check the power and ground. If you got power and ground, then you got a bad pump. It's also a good idea if you're changing out that pump, maybe change out the regulator with it. Something like this, so probably have some debris and be all clogged up just like this one was. That's right, guys. So once again, 2008 Mercedes S550. Real easy to check this. So don't need too many tools, and you don't need too much experience. Thanks, guys. Bye.